Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can extend the bidding on a request for quotation. So for that, first of all, we need to click on browse module and need to go to sales and purchase. Now once you will come in sales and purchase, please click on quotations. Now after coming to the quotation, please check these are the list of all of my RFQs and they are closed for bidding. So what happens exactly through the bidding, as because once the bidding get closed, then after the SQ punching and the PO creation doesn't happen, because that particular RFQ request for quotation is closed. So suppose by any chance any reward came to you from via phone or via email, where you need to go ahead and punch an SQ and then after you need to go ahead and create the PO. How you can do so? For that you need to go ahead and extend the bidding. How? So these are all the RFQs which are closed for bidding. I selected it from my conversion status. So all open for bidding, closed for bidding, cancelled. So I selected closed for bidding. This is one of the RFQ. I will open this particular RFQ now. Go below, please check. One of the SQ is punched, but another is not punched. How you can go ahead and extend it? Click on other action on your right hand side corner. Now here you will get an option of extend bidding. Once you will click on extend bidding, it will ask for the end date. So suppose I provided the end date for 12th of July. So extend bidding will also help you in order to go ahead and keep open the request for quotation. I will click on save. Once I clicked on save, please check the bidding got open. I can go below, punch quotation and can create the PO as well. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and extend the bidding on request for quotation. Have a good day ahead.